What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. And this is your first time here guys, on this channel we do a lot of product review, live gaming, some gaming reviews, some how-tos, and sometimes even throw in some vlogs whenever I get a chance. And I do a lot of car stuff as well, so I do bring a lot of things to this channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time I drop a new great video or whenever I go live, because trust me guys, you never want to miss out. And today's going to be another computer tech thing. I can see I have it right here. I told you when I started upgraded this PC right here, I upgraded the motherboard, the CPU, and the RAM, that I wanted to build another computer and put it on that side of the table since I have an empty spot there. It's not so much empty, but I could use the space for another PC. So technically, I got this case right here. I got the Lian O11 Dyamic Evo. Why did I choose this case? Because this is the only case from Lian that lets you convert the case from being this way, so the glass is on this side, to convert it to have it flip the other way around, so the glass is on this side. So if I put the case over there on top instead of down here like I normally have it right now, if I put it here, at least it will look symmetrical, so the glasses are on the inside instead of the outside, like one on this side, one on the outside on this side. So I wanted to keep it like so it blends in more. So I decided to get this case right here. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this right here, show you what it looks like, what it is. Right now on this one I have the Lian O11 Razor Edition case. From what I read the specs, these two should be around the same size. This one I think is a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. I figure which one's smaller or bigger. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it, take it out. I'm not gonna convert it over right now. I'm gonna do it in my own spare time and start putting the parts together. But I did want to go ahead and show you this and compare it to this and see about height and width and take it from there, all right? So what we're gonna do first, you see, it's the top of my bed here, so you normally don't see this side of the room when I'm recording, but this is the only time that I can keep it up so you guys can see, since I don't have like a foldable table that I can put here and do it here. Usually I do my unboxing outside when it's something this big, but I don't have the space out there right now. There's so much stuff going on out there that I don't want to record out there, so I'm gonna do it in here so you guys can see. So first thing I'm gonna do is open this box. In this case, I forgot how much I bought it for. They run for like 160, 170 if I'm not mistaken. I forgot. I bought like a month ago, so I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it or anything. I could look up on Amazon because I did buy it on Amazon. So brand new in the box, as you can see. All right. And you're wondering, why did I go with this case other than another case that has the glass of this side already? You know, dark flash does make a case that the glass is on the other side. I could have done it and put it over there, but then it won't look so symmetrical because it's two completely different cases. Like the design and everything. At least the Dyamic Evo and the Razor editions are similar, just a little bit different. You can barely tell unless I point them out. Most people won't even notice, but I notice stuff like that. All right, so let me go ahead and open this box up. So when you first open it up, you got this box up here. This box right here, it looks like it tells you how to convert everything so you can convert it to the other side. See, I'm gonna bring it up close. Right here, it gives you all the instructions how to flip it over if you want to flip it over the panel over. Right here, all the instructions. That I guess this is all the tools and everything needed to do so. I don't know because I never done this one. I did reviews on it. I seen reviews on it, and I saw that's how they do it. So they got all the tools right here. They got all the clips, everything's all in here, guys. Look at that. Everything here. All right, so I'm gonna keep this in here for now. I don't want to move anything around because I do want to keep the case intact. I was gonna convert all my stuff from this PC inside this case because I think I like this case better. Also, this one's fatter. This looks like it's wider and more width. Because I think this has, like I said, it has more airflow in my opinion than this one does. And so we're just gonna unbox it, continue unboxing and show you how the box looks. All right, so as you see, the box looks like this. That's the case right there. I don't see anything else on the sides. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over and then let it come out on the bed. All right, here we go. This is how you should take out cases and stuff. but you got to be careful depending where you open it from. All right, so see, now the box is empty. As you can see, there's nothing in here. All right, and put this plastic thing in here. This plastic covering there as well. I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna take out the other one. Okay. All right, so right away you can see the difference. I don't know if you could tell from there. You see the width of it, how width it is. It looks definitely bigger than this. I'm gonna put it next to each other and compare it, because I do have like a little lip right here on the table, space to like lean it on there, hold it. All right, so right now the glass is on this side. So I'm gonna take out the wrapping and everything so you guys see what I'm talking about. I'm just ripping off the, all right. All right, so this was the case looks. Right now it still has the plastic over the glass. I actually like this case the outside of this case more than the Razor edition. I did want to replace this one. I did want to get another Evo, but the money. That's the only reason I don't switch it right now, because I don't want to spend the money on an extra case that I don't need to do. Now I have an extra case laying around. The only reason I took out this case because I'm doing another project with this one as a gift, so that's why I can't use that case. But I really, from just looking at it, I could tell that I might enjoy this case more than this one. That's just my opinion right now. So the only difference it is like this case does come light up on the sides here and it has a Razor logo in the middle. That's what's pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool. And one thing I do like more about this case than this case, you see my USB ports here and my power button here, my audio cable here, and a USB-C plug right there. It's all on the side here, right? On this one, there's only a power button on top and all your other things that I talk about, USB plug here, USB-C, and audio cable is right in the bottom of this, which is pretty cool. So that's one big difference you could tell. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put it up against I'm gonna take off this audio thing here. And I'm gonna put it against it and see how thick it is, how different it is. All right, so I know the length is about the same. All right, so I got it at the edge. So it's not that much bigger. Okay. Honestly, it's about ½ an inch bigger. That's all it is. It's just a ½ an inch bigger. So it's not that much bigger at all. Height-wise, I didn't even take a look at the height. The height-wise, it's about maybe a ¼ of an inch bigger. Not that much bigger. Length-wise, I'm not too sure about it, but as you see, that's my main reason for going for this case, because it's almost identical to this one as far as size-wise. But with this one, I'm able to flip it, invert it. So the glass is, as you can see, the glass right now is on this side. I don't know if you, let me flip it around. You see the glass right here. This is the glass right here. So if I put it on that side of the computer, the glass is gonna be facing the wall. It's not gonna look right. So now at least this way, once I invert it, the glass will be going this side. So it'll be still pretty cool. So that's it for today, guys. I am gonna start building this up, inverting it first, and then I'm gonna start putting it together. I don't have all the parts for it right now, but I did want to start putting it together because I do have the motherboard, the CPU, and the RAM just laying around in the box. Well, inside the box for this motherboard, because the box for that motherboard is inside the closet somewhere in storage. I don't feel like pulling it out and, convert it over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video unboxing this. Once I am completed with this build, I will do a video. I'm not gonna do a video. I'm not too sure. Maybe I will of building it, putting it together, but I'm pretty sure I won't because I don't have that much time right now. I have no time at all for myself right now. So much stuff going in life that I don't have time to do stuff. As you guys notice, I barely have been putting out videos or going live. It's just been super busy with life. As you get older, you get to get more busier. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed everything I showed you today. How cool this case is. Sorry I couldn't do more about it, but I hope you guys enjoyed what I showed you. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.